Portable toilet replacement care. Wearing. Move the main body unit to a desired position. Lock the caster wheels on the back of the main body unit to prevent it from rolling. Attach the diaper cup to the slide panel of the main body unit. Close the main body unit cover. Put the diaper cup next to the user and take off one side of the pants that the user is wearing. Turn the user in a lateral position and put the diaper cup to the buttocks of the user. Put the other hand between the user's thighs. Grab the front side of the diaper cup and then lay the user in a supine position. Grab the back of the diaper cup and adjust it in a way that the private parts are positioned at the center of the diaper cup. Be cautious not to hurt user's pubic hair and skin from being caught against the diaper cup and install the gender module. Put the hands underneath the user's bottom and spread apart without lifting the buttocks. Press the auto button on the control panel. Portable toilet replacement care. Removal. Open the main body unit cover and install the diaper cup holder. Attach the diaper cup holder to the side of the main body unit and adhere it to the control panel. Press Stop button and remove the diaper cup. Attach the diaper cup on the holder and fasten it with the fastening belt. After checking the user's condition and cleaning up, hang the tube on the tube hanger.